What, you just joined to? I don't know. Hispanic shenanigans.
Violence live, frantic. Dispatch sent police.
Suspect steals cop's body cam and records the crime. This is from Cop Cam Max.
Police racing to a residential neighborhood after multiple frantic callers reported shots fired. Now, cops are accustomed to dealing with violence liars and criminals. But early on this morning, these officers were about to discover a completely new level of stupidity.
Stop! Don't do it. Stop. Hey, don't do it, young lady. Sorry, man. Stop. Just don't do it. Stop. Stop. Let's show me drive. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am. I'll do it. Come on. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Good thing we have the snatch cam view.
We're so fucked up, man.
Relax.
Abby, just chill. Abby, don't do that. Abby, chill. Abby.
What, you just joined to? I don't know. Hispanic shenanigans. Some of Moody's cousins.
Let's walk her over here.
The cop have a Bob Marley tattoo. Yeah, it's a typical day for me in San Antonio.
2651 to 10.
Women acting hysterical. Never seen it before. Would it be a police incident without a woman screaming at the top of her lungs for no reason?
Stand up.
You were capable to push and shove and push on me, and now you can't walk.
1, 2, 3, just like over arms.
Stand up. You're an adult.
All right, what's going on tonight? It's just here. I just against the car. I don't want y'all getting smoked or anything. You'd buy a car. You know what I mean? So what's going on?
She was in the restroom. Somebody was banging on the door. They didn't know she
The
was
Kool-Aid
in there.
pineapples
She
just
goes
hit your
to
For You
start
page.
fighting.
Okay.
I guess she's looking for her phone, and then this is his car, and she just opened the car and was going. Her friend.
Okay.
I know, but I'm just being honest. Like, that's all he's asking for. Like, she was trying to look. She just wanted her phone.
Get in.
Ma'am, stand.
I guess my algorithm knows when there's other people watching it because there's normally other things.
I'll go around. Spin her around.
All right.
How old is she?
She's like 22, 23.
All right, give me a second. Watch this. Stand up.
Come on. Stand up. You're an adult. Can you grab both of her arms so you don't hurt her?
All right, she's not moving, dude. Just rope her and tie her up to the bumper of the police car. Drag her to jail.
I need you to step back, sir.
1, 2, 3, let go.
She's refusing to stand.
I'm not refusing.
You are.
Come on.
Okay. All right.
I can't stand you.
Snatcher. Insane.
You know.
Officer Cena always makes an impression when she arrives on a scene. This is the second Cop Cam Max episode where a suspect flirts with her. Check the link in the description to see if that prior suspect fared any better than the body cam snatcher.
I guess he knows you from somewhere. He's all worried.
I don't know any of them.
Here you go, guys. Save the cop.
Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Where'd you get that from?
What?
That's mine.
Calm down.
Get both her arms.
Abby, it's worse on you.
I'm not doing shit.
Oh my God. Always flirt with lady cops. Hell yeah. We haven't watched Midwest today yet. We'll go there. Actually, might make a video for Donut News Network while we're streaming, so I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Still hang out with you guys. Oh, they got the cop's body camera. That's a felony.
So I guess she's been.
Can you grab my body cam down to that car?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got you.
Where's it at?
Should be right here.
Steal it. Steal it. Oh, he's looking for it.
Come on, put your hands behind your back. What'd I do? Put your hands behind your back.
He's got it in his hand.
Yeah, it's called tampering with evidence. That body camera in your hand is evidence. Who dropped?
What a dumbass.
I found it on the floor.
He just picked it up.
Go ahead and walk this way.
All right, you want to talk to my lawyer?
That's fine.
All right. They dropped the body cam and I picked it up. They're trying to blame me for it.
What did you do with it?
I just picked it up. I didn't know what it was.
All right, keep walking.
Well, why are you arresting him? Because your officer dropped the body cam. That should be on your officer. That should be on your officer.
Sir, you need a belt.
I know. I thought I had it.
Your officer dropped the body cam and my friend picked it up. He wasn't going to keep it. He's not going to go home and take it home.
Wow.
Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Out here flirting, but can't even get a bail. Yeah, I know he said I stole it on the cam, like while it was recording him.
I just wanted to.
Slip the cuffs. This is a group of winners.
Just calm down.
Thing was cinched down there.
Don't do that. You're going to hurt yourself.
Turn around, face that way. No, you're not getting out of the car.
Went over there being a.
Okay, dude, let me.
Daniel's going to jail. Daniel's going to jail, nigga. He'll be
For
out.
what,
He'll
though?
be out
For what?
Monday morning.
Because your officer dropped his body
It's
cam?
all right, nigga. They don't even have the name.
Your officer dropped his body cam and that's on my friend's fault?
Okay,
She knocked my body came off.
Y'all got a lawsuit, bro. Remember my name, bro. Y'all got a lawsuit, nigga.
okay, just do me a favor and walk over there until I figure out what's going on.
So you realize that what you did is a crime, right?
I mean, I guess, I don't know.
So you realize that that body camera is police evidence.
I didn't know that.
And that he had dropped it, and we went over there looking for it. You heard us looking for it,
I did not hear
and you concealed it on your person.
Yeah.
When you held it in your hand when I walked past you. You knew we were looking for that body camera, and you had it in your hand the entire time. And instead of saying, hey,
Yep.
officer, I have your body camera, you sat there and laughed with your friends. Okay? So right now you're being charged with tampering with evidence.
We can't have that. That like what she gets committed as a felony. When you put your hands on us, it's a felony.
I try to get her under control, but she's like, it's hard. Like, it really is hard.
You guys been friends for a while?
For a couple of years.
Okay.
It just got out of control. It's just not even worth it. Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine. She's just back there kind of mad.
Do you want another charge?
No.
Do you want? You're sit. Put your feet in.
Yes.
You're putting your seatbelt on. You kick my cage one more time, I'm charging you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
So, like I said, his body camera was right here on the outside of the car. So the lady went over there to look for it, picked up the magnet, and I was like, oh, maybe it's under the car. Right. So I get down, look under the car. Towards him.
Arrest them all.
Camera,
It's San Antonio, isn't it?
nothing like
Oh,
that.
Clovis.
Okay, just holds it in his hand, trying to conceal it in
I
his
know, this is like the GED crowd of San Antonio. Definite South Side vibes.
hands. So he's going to go to jail tonight for tampering with evidence.
Yeah, I know.
That's your friend?
Just be okay, okay?
No, don't touch me. I'm letting them touch me.
Okay.
Please, bro, just back off.
Huh?
Hey,
I know.
keep your feet in.
The cops touch me. I'm
Come on,
letting
let's
the cops touch me.
Okay, say bye.
Lower the GED. Yeah.
He's in.
You have a phone or
I need
anything that
3
you're gonna
energy
want?
drinks today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, because she's got you in a ride.
She won't be out at least until Monday.
Go ahead and step up.
The bodycam snatcher was hit with a felony charge for tampering with evidence. And because that police gear was valued at $665, he caught a second felony charge for grand larceny.
Quit. I don't know how much tighter I got to make these cuffs on you. Get out. Stand up and get out. Stand up and get out.
Officers transported the woman to the jail, but once they arrived, she insisted she needed medical attention. As a result, she was taken from the jail to the hospital. The drive gave the woman an opportunity to sober up and calm herself down.
Do you have any medical problems?
No.
Okay.
Can I leave yet?
Let's just stop for a few minutes, okay? Any chance you're pregnant?
No.
Abigail, stop. Any
You
symptoms?
guys were being rude as to me.
I work here at the hospital. I'm with him.
I'm not talking to you.
That's okay.
I'm talking to you.
I'm going to listen.
You're being
Answer.
rude.
No, I'm not.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm going to listen to your heart and lungs, okay?
No.
No? You don't want to
No.
be checked? Okay.
You guys were being rude as fuck.
Okay. Abigail, calm
So
down.
no, thank
So you
you.
don't want us to examine
No,
you?
until I have another emergency.
Okay. Hang out.
Can I have another person?
No, you
Check
can't.
me?
That's not how it works.
No.
We're in the emergency room.
You
There's one
guys were
doctor.
checking me?
Okay. All right.
What the? Oh, she is hammered.
I need somebody else.
Do I need some penis chilling? She probably does need some penicillin though. For real, for real.
Stop.
No
I'm
cap.
going to put you in leg shackles, Abigail. Do you understand? Sit down. Sit down. Take a seat and don't move. I've been nice to you the entire night, and you're screwing it up. Sit down. I'm going to put you in leg shackles if you get up again. Do you understand? Knock it off. Come on out.
All right, guys. The girl I'm talking to wants a flesh bear. You just showed her what they are.
Keep it.
You better get that girl a flesh bear.
I know.
Or just say, here's your flesh bear and whip it out. You know what I'm saying?
No. Medical.
She refused everything. They got vitals on her, and then as soon as they started asking her questions, she refused.
On me for no reason. She was literally on me. She was literally on me.
She
Spitter.
They got vitals on her.
We got spitter.
Started asking her questions. She got
It was
upset.
literally on him. He's lying. He had me. He had my.
All right, thank you.
The woman was charged with 2 fourth-degree
All right.
felonies, battery
All right.
on a peace officer.
Old Gonzo.